Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm about to blow your mind with something truly exciting. How to turn leftover shrimp's head, something most people throw away, into two incredible kitchen treasure. Remember, on this channel we say no to waste and yes to creativity. So if you have been discarding shrimp's head, after today you will never do that again. Let's get started. First, I've gotten my fresh shrimps here. I'll place them in a sieve and dip them gently into a bowl of clean water to wash thoroughly. Once clean, I am removing the head and shell. Don't worry, the actual shrimp meat is going to be used later, but the real magic lies in what we do with the leftover. Now, those shrimp head and shell, instead of tossing them in the bin, we give them a quick rinse and take part of it. And boom, we are ready for recipe 1. Using a scissors, I cut off all the strand from the head before proceeding. When done, I add a little vegetable oil to a pot and let it heat up. Next, in go the shrimp's head. To build that amazing aroma and flavor, I slice in some fresh garlic and ginger. Oh my goodness, the fragrance alone is heavenly. I let this cool slowly for about 7 minutes. Then add some chili flakes for that extra kick. As it fries, all the natural shrimp's oil and rich umami flavor are released straight into the oil. This is liquid gold. After about 5 to 7 minutes, I remove the shrimp's head, garlic and ginger. Let the oil cool, then strain it. And just like that, you have made your own very shrimp-infused oil. Perfect for stir fries, rice dishes, stew, anything you want to give that rich seafood flavor. Store it in an airtight jar and thank me later. Now let's move to recipe number 2. I take the remaining shrimp's head and strand and spread them evenly on an oval tray. Into the oven they go for about 10 minutes, just until they dry out and become nice and crispy. After 10 minutes, they are perfectly crunchy. I transfer them into a blender and blend until smooth. And there you have it, a powerful natural shrimp seasoning powder, just like crayfish powder, but with a unique rich flavor. This can be used to season soups, stew, noodles, and sauce. Absolutely delicious. Now tell me in the comments, have you tried this before? Which do you prefer, shrimp powder or crayfish powder? And if this is your first time seeing this, are you going to be trying it? Let me know. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe for more amazing zero waste kitchen hack. Remember, nothing is waste until you waste it.